Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel Shopify subscription. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I will explain how to cancel your Shopify subscription and close your Shopify store. The first step is to log into your Shopify account and choose the store you want to close. If you only have one store, you'll be deactivating that one. However, if you manage multiple stores, make sure to select the correct store before proceeding. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, click on your name at the top right corner of the screen and then select your email address option. This will open your account settings page. On the left side of the screen, click on Security Settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you reach the Devices section. Here, make sure you're logged out of every device. If you're logged in on multiple devices, log out of all of them. Next, turn off any authentication methods if they are enabled. If you see any login services that you used in the past, remove them as well for security reasons. Once this is done, you can return to the main page. Now, go to the Settings option located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open all the settings related to your Shopify store and account. From here, click on the Plan section. Before closing your store and canceling your subscription, it's very important to uninstall any paid apps connected to your Shopify store. If you don't remove them, there's a chance you could still be charged even after your store is closed. To avoid this, uninstall all connected apps first and then continue. After that, click on the Cancel Trial button. As I'm on trial, that's why it is showing me this Cancel Trial button, but in your case, it will say Deactivating Store. Just tap on it. A menu will appear with multiple options. Select First option. Shopify will then ask you to choose a reason for deactivating your store. You can select any reason from the list or simply choose Other and continue. You'll then see a confirmation window explaining that once your store is deactivated, your information will be stored for up to 2 years. You can reactivate your store at any time by subscribing again if you change your mind. And that's it. So that is how you can cancel Shopify subscription. So that's all for this video. Thanks.